Hey everyone, Judd Burden here from Asphalt Kingdom. We are here in Cleveland at the National Pavement Expo 2018. I'm here with Roger from Little Wonder, and man, let me tell you, it's been great meeting you. Good to hang out.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
Gone over all the equipment and everything.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people come to our site, Asphalt Kingdom, and they're looking for tips and techniques. And so what I wanted to do is come over to Roger and ask what his 3 tips would be to a contractor that is truly looking to, focus and improve their business as it relates to surface prep. Can you go ahead and tell us what those 3 tips would be, Roger?
Absolutely. So the key to surface prep really is, you want to make sure you clean out all of your cracks. Get your crack sealer, use that. Use our blowers, so that will clear all of the debris over to one area. We also manufacture the vacs as well, so you can actually suck all of the debris up with the vac, so you can take that away, leave the site completely clear. That's kind of the best way to get the best results with your sealant. So you've got no waste, no debris being sealed in underneath your sealant. So that's definitely what we're looking at. If you don't have vacs, you can certainly get all of that waste over to one side and you can take it away with you. That way your customers are going to have a great experience with your service because you're not going to leave them any nasty, dirty waste on their yard or flower beds. So definitely with our debris handling equipment, littlewonder.com, check us out. Check us out, asphaltkingdom.com as well.
Thanks so much. I really appreciate that and look forward to speaking to you next year at the National Pavement Expo.
Yes, sir. See you in Nashville.
Yes, Nashville. See ya.